Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection RC Helicopter in Review 2025.
Number 4.
The Cheetah 560 More M7 is a 4-channel brushless RC aircraft with a fixed-wing design for enhanced stability and performance. Built from lightweight, durable EPP foam, it's designed for off-road flying adventures. Perfect for RC enthusiasts, it offers smooth control, agility, and high-speed maneuverability for an exciting experience.
Number 3.
This 2.4 GHz RC helicopter features a 3.5-channel control system with air pressure constant height technology for stable flight. Designed with realistic simulation and LED lights, it offers an exciting remote control flying experience. Perfect as a toy gift for children, it ensures easy operation, durability, and endless fun.
Number 2.
The Goosky RS4 Venom Combo Kit is a high-performance RC helicopter designed for professional and hobbyist pilots. Featuring advanced radio control, precision flight, and durable construction, it offers smooth aerial maneuvers. Ideal for men and children, this wireless flying aircraft delivers an exciting remote-controlled aviation experience.
Number 1.
The Goosky S1 RC helicopter is a professional 6-channel drone designed for advanced 3D stunt flying. Featuring a dual brushless motor, direct drive system, and flybarless design, it offers precise control and high performance. Ideal for RC enthusiasts and adults, this RTF helicopter makes a perfect gift for pilots.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.